lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? Do you know guys, last 2 days, I'm doing so well. And you too. Because just I hit 50,000 views on the last video. Guess what? Yeah. I'm also complete 1K subscriber in my YouTube channel.
Bruh, you did too much overacting.
Is it too much?
Yes.
Okay, cut.
No.
I kill you. As a gift for you guys, I'm going to make my first vlog. Yay!
Boring.
Anyway, let's start the vlog. So today's vlog is all about Panichamala because I'm going to Panichamala today. So right now, I need to do some basic makeup, obviously. So let's start the makeup. By the way, don't forget to subscribe me. Please, let's go.
I don't wanna be vivid under. If you can't see me, I'll say way to go. Maybe way to go. Yeah, why do I have to be? I don't know that I someday I should have done now. I was drunk in this night, and I'm falling in They're going to tell me heart so bad, so dark. I want to bet on your boy, put out your guard. Yeah, as reminiscence, how I know. I feel there's nobody stars to me. There's nothing out of me, to me, yeah. Say, I'm falling in
Okay guys, my makeup is done. How is it? Okay, now it's transformation time. Let's go. Okay guys, this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed my every step of the process. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay guys, now let's go to Dhaka International Trade Fair. Go, 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 go.
너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 심각하고 고민이 생겼니. 초대 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아. 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여. 이상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아.
Nilagay.
I'm still hungry, so I'm going to eat. Yeah.
Ito ay kortasan.
걱정되고 보고 싶은 이런 기분은 현재 진행형. 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어. 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 비동사 플러스 ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ing just ing 내 맘은 아직 ing. 좋아한다고 보고 싶다고 그 말을 왜 못하니 후회할까봐.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, finally we were right back to home. I'll get ready for a special treat because now I'll be unboxing all the amazing things what my mom and my brother and me bought today. Okay, my mom brought this. The price is $50 and mixed together 1,000. Okay, is it 1,000? Okay guys, my brother bought two things. This and this. There's a Turkish necklace and there's a evil eye. And I bought this. There's a makeup box. Look at this. There's my all makeup product with this box, makeup box. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay beautiful, stay confident. Ta-da! Boom!